Assalamu alaikum. This again for class 12th. First, we will discuss today important terms related to lenses. We have in previous class we have discussed concave and convex lens, their uses and their kinds. Today's classes there are some terms which are related to this lenses, so that we can proceed ahead and derive the lens maker formula in the next classes. Before deriving these lens maker formulas, we have to discuss again concave and convex lens. Suppose this is double convex lens here, this is one lens, and this is the part of sphere. Basically we can draw it here, make a sphere also. This is also a lens part of this is double convex lens. This is lens 1. It is center is here, center of curvature. Center of curvature, how can we define center of curvature? We will also discuss this. सेंटर से जो इस पे सर्कमफ्रेंस की तरफ जो टच करता है, इट इज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. जो लेंस 1 है इसका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इस साइड में है, प्लीज डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. जो लेंस 2 है इसका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इस साइड में है, वो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर क्योंकि इसका जो कर्व है इस साइड में बनता है. एंड इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस concave lens, this is the concave lens. दिस इज इट इज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इज ऑन द सेम साइड. ये लेंस 2 है, इसका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इसी साइड. मगर अगर ये लेंस 2 है, इसका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इस साइड में है, बिकॉज इट इज द पार्ट दिस व्हेन वी ड्रॉ ए स्फीयर हियर, इट इज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर बिकम हियर, इट इज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर बिकम हियर, इट इज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज दिस. हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन दीज टर्म्स? वी विल ट्राई टू डिस्कस दिस. हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन a center of curvature? It is the center of sphere of which it forms a part. It is the center of curvature of a surface of a lens is the center of the sphere, center of the sphere of which it forms a part. वो क्या होता है? दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ ए स्फीयर, दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ ए स्फीयर. इसका सेंटर जो है, जो स्फीयर का सेंटर, वो इसका भी सेंटर बनता है. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ द स्फीयर ऑफ विच इट फॉर्म्स ए पार्ट. ये हिस्सा है कि स्फीयर का, जो उस स्फीयर का सेंटर है, ये इसका भी सेंटर बनता है. दैट मीन्स इसका सेंटर इस साइड में बनेगा, इस साइड का सेंटर इस साइड में बनेगा. That means, but this convex lens has two surfaces, so it has two center of curvatures. One here, it is C1, a center of curvature. ये इस lens 1 का हो गया, इसका center of curvature ये है. That means concave lens में भी two center of curvatures है, और this convex lens में भी two center of curvature. That means center of curvature of the surface of a lens is the center of a sphere. It is the center of a sphere of which it forms a part. Is because it has two surfaces, so it is having two center of curvatures. I hope you have got it. And just like it has two center of, it has also two radius of curvatures. सेंटर से जो आप रेडियस की डेफिनेशन आप ऑलरेडी पता है, जो सेंटर से जो सर्कमफ्रेंस को टच करेगा, दैट इज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. दिस इज आल्सो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, दिस इज आल्सो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, दिस इज आल्सो दिस इज द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ लेंस 2, दिस इज द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ लेंस 1, दिस इज द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ लेंस 2, दिस लेंस 2, दिस इज द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ लेंस 1. ठीक है, आई होप यू आर गॉट. रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ द सरफेस ऑफ सन इज द रेडियस ऑफ स्फीयर ऑफ. रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर हम जब डिफाइन करेंगे, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर of the surface of a lens is the radius of the sphere of which it forms a part, or surface forms a part. It is the radius of curvature. That means दिस लेंस इज हैविंग रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, दिस इसका रेडियस, दैट मीन इसके भी दो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर है, इसके भी दो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर है. प्रिंसिपल एक्सेस, इट इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन विच passes two center of curvatures. Principal axis, it is the straight line, a line passing through the two center of curvatures is called principal axis. That this is the principal axis, its principal axis is this principal axis. I hope you are getting this principal axis. So it is the straight line which passes through the two center of curvatures of the lens, two center of curvatures of this called principal axis. Principal axis is a straight line passing two center of curvatures, this point, this is called optical center. How can we define optical center? जिस तरह मिरर में पोल इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, इसी तरह लेंस में ऑप्टिकल सेंटर होता है, क्योंकि जो यहाँ डिस्टेंस मेजर करते हैं, ऑल डिस्टेंस इन केस ऑफ मिरर्स, ऑल डिस्टेंस आर मेजर फ्रॉम द पोल ऑफ द मिरर, बट हियर ऑल डिस्टेंस आर मेजर फ्रॉम द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन एन ऑप्टिकल सेंटर? बेसिकली अगर हम प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन ऑप्टिकल सेंटर की बताएंगे, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, इफ यू टेक ए लेंस हियर, सपोज दिस इज a लेंस, ठीक है. सपोज दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. If suppose this is the incident, right, falling on, this is the rear medium, it passes through a denser medium. If this is normal, ray of light will pass, bend towards the normal. You know, when ray of light come rear medium to denser medium, in denser medium it bends towards the normal, सीधा जाएगा, and it emerges out here. It emerges out. If this incident ray and emergent ray, they are parallel to each other, अगर वो parallel एक दूसरे के, if the emergent ray and this incident ray and the emergent ray, if they are parallel to each other, that means if a ray of light is incident on a light, if this is the incident ray, this is the emergent ray. You know that when ray of light is falling on this lens, it bends towards the, suppose this is the normal here, it bends towards the normal because light is coming from rear medium to denser medium. If a ray of light is incident on a lens such that after refraction through the lens, जब ये refraction through lens हो जाएगी, the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. The point at which the refracted ray, this is the refracted ray, the point at which the refracted ray intersects the principal axis, this is called optical center of the lens. I hope you have got it. Suppose this is AB, this is CD. If AB parallel CD, that means if incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other, that means this refracted, ये refracted ray है, this is incident ray, this is emergent ray. जो अंदर की ray है ये refracted ray है, इसका refraction हो गया. The refracted ray, if that means the emergent ray is parallel to incident ray, the point at which the refracted ray, the point at which the refracted ray intersect the principal axis, जिस point पे वो intersect करेगा, this is the proper definition of the optical center. I hope you have got it. And I hope you have got it. This is the optical center of the mirror. Now I can say principal focus and focal length. These are some terms which are related, because when we derive the lens maker formula is important for the formula. When we derive these lens maker formula, we have to need of these formulas. Suppose this is the, what is this called? This is called principal axis. Suppose ray of light, suppose this is the boundary separating the two lenses. Suppose ray light coming parallel to principal axis, this, after refraction they try to meet at a common point here, this common point is called, this is also called, this convex lens is also called converging lens, because rays are converged, their rays are meeting at a particular point after refraction. This is called converging lens also. That means this the point at which the rays meet after reflection, this is called principal focus. This point is called principal focus, and the distance between the optical center is called focal length. This is the convex lens. This convex lens is also called converging lens. Why this is called converging lens? Because rays are actually meeting after reflection. When we talk about this lens, that's called this lens, that is the concave lens. When we talk about the concave lens, in concave lens, here this is the concave lens. This point called principal axis. Ray is diverged actually here. They diverge, they ferna, diverge. But when we try to beat in the backward direction, they try to beat at a common point here. This is called principal focus. This is called principal focus, and the distance between the optical center and principal focus is called focal length. This why this is called also divergent lens. Why did it? Because rays are separating here. This is called a divergent lens. It is having also important. Its own importance. It is having its own importance. We have already discussed its uses when we have discussed it in the previous class. We have discussed its uses. Use of concave lens. We have discussed also the use of the convex lens. I hope you have remembered these terms. That means we have discussed it here radius of curvature. We have discussed it here center of curvatures. We have discussed it here principal axis. We have discussed it here optical center, and we have discussed here focal length and principal focus. I hope you have got it. Inshallah, we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.